you guys, we got these new chairs in, so I'm about to put mine together and basically do a time lapse. Let's go. Alright, you guys, let me show you guys what it looks like. I know you can't get the full effect. Alright, this is the chair. I like these chairs, man. These chairs look nice, especially for the theme. The whole theme of the shop. It's nice. But alright, you guys, I'm tired. It's been a hectic, I know I fast forwarded the whole thing, but my back hurting right now. My back hurting, all right? Stay tuned. 360 Dizzy. 360 Dizzy. 360, 360, 360 Dizzy. Alright, you guys, so we're not gonna waste no time. We're gonna dive right in. I'm gonna take my curved shears and basically start taking off individual dreads piece by piece. All right, I'm gonna start at the lowest point. You want to come back to the wave game. I love it when people with dreads cut their hair off and come back to the wave game and get that clean, nice, neat look. Now, I'm going to be honest, out of all my clients with dreads, this guy has to be the most well-kept dreads out of them all. I cut them down and I don't really see any grit and grime like that. You know what I'm saying? I had to ask him, I was like, man, hey, bro, hey, what do? You must wash your hair every day. But he actually really takes good care of his hair, good care of his dreads, and I really didn't have to wash it afterwards. As you can see, it kind of, it just looks clean. So right now I'm picking it out, making sure that I get all the knots out, so that way when I run the clipper through his hair, it won't snag. So my client wanted to know what guard that would take it down to where he could just automatically start getting waves, and I felt like a 3 guard would do him justice, to where he could just brush and the waves will start developing. So the clipper I'm using is the Stylecraft Instincts with the 3 guard with the lever fully closed. That is a true 3. All right, so I'm going with the grain, making sure that I go at a normal pace. I don't want to go too fast because I don't want to snag his hair. Also, I'm paying attention when I get to that crown area, where his cowlick is in that crown area. You don't want to run through that because you'll end up creating a bald spot and cutting that area too low. So really pay attention, dig around and see where that crown is before you just run through it. So after that, I'm gonna use the 360 Jeezy V1 brush to lay everything back down. You can pick this brush up at 360jeezy.com. This is basically a wave brush that I created that's available on the website right now. So my client wanted a low taper, so I'm gonna use my Babyliss FX Low Pros trimmers just to set in my bald line. Now going back with my Stylecraft Instincts with the lever fully open, I'm going up about a ½ inch, making sure I go over that guideline multiple times. That way, you know it's at that length. Now putting on the one guard, doing the same exact thing with the lever fully open, going up about a ½ inch. I'm going over that guideline multiple times, brushing it down. Because my client's hair is so coarse, you want to make sure you brush it down as much as possible. Because this is a low fade, you don't want to go any higher than that. You want to just start working your way back down. And I got my zero guard on with the lever fully closed, and I'm flicking out that middle line. I'm using my corners the entire time. Now, whatever that zero guard couldn't take out, I always go back over it with my lever open, using my corners, getting in those tight areas where I see bulk. And lastly, what you want to do is you want to take out that bottom line with the lever fully closed, all right? After you do that, you want to detail your work, all right? Detailing is extremely important. What I like to do is I like to refer to the mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend than just seeing it head on, all right? I like to go in areas where I see bulk and just use my corners as thinning shears. So whatever I did to the top, I'm gonna do to the beard. Same steps, just the only difference is you're blending downward. As far as the back goes, it's the same exact steps. What I want to stress to you guys is basically memorize these steps, all right? Have these steps in your mind. That way, it'll increase your speed. You don't want to be thinking about your next move. You want to already have that in your mind, all right? So make sure you memorize these steps and just cut without thinking, if that makes sense. But all of that to the side, know that this takes time. This isn't something that comes overnight. The more you practice, the more you improve. So what I like to do is I like to go along all of the edges and take it down to a 1. Just the tips of the edge do I take down to a 1. That way, when you put your line on it, it comes out a lot more crispier. So before I put a line on it, I'm gonna try to lay this hair down as much as I can by using this product called Silk Mousse by iStyleProducts.com. So I'm gonna brush this in and lay a do-rag on it, blow dry, but meanwhile, I'm gonna work on the beard while the hair dries. So my client wanted to cut off his dreads to get back to the waves. And personally, I think he made a good choice. Some people in the dread community may not think so, but
God did.
YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother, he makes all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.